Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus have started rolling out a new update for OnePlus 9 series including OnePlus 9, 9 Pro and even 9RT. These phones are getting April security patch along with revamped volume panel. So in this video, let's take a look at what all changes OnePlus have done for OnePlus 9 series. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 9 which I've already updated to the latest version. If you go to about section here, you can see OxygenOS 14. Under Android version, we now have 5th April 2024 security patch. And if you see the version, now version is .600, previously the version was .500. I did not receive the OTA update, so I had to download the file and performed a local install to update to latest version. Even you guys can do that. I'll try to provide the file in the description below. You can download from there. After that, you just have to enable developer options, go to about section, tap on these three dots, select local install, and select the file. This way you can install the latest build. And now guys, before moving ahead, we have 87% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And before talking about the changelogs, here you can see the benchmark scores. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 1521 and multi-core scores are 3692. Everything was performed in high performance mode. With Wildlife Extreme Stress Test, the stability scores were 57.2%. Total 10% of battery drain we noticed while performing this benchmark test, and the temperature rise was quite high, which went up to 46 degrees Celsius. And now let's talk about the change logs. So here you can see all the changes are layered to system, and we'll talk about every change one by one. So with the first change log, now you can set specific app volume. So by default, this feature will be turned off. So if you go to sounds, scroll down, here you'll find an option called AppSpecific Volume. And let me show you how does it work. So for example, if I'm playing a song or if I'm watching any video and I just want to increase or decrease the volume of that particular application, once you press the volume button, you can see this gear icon in between. So that toggle is to control the specific app volume. You can see we were playing music on YouTube Music application, and that application can be seen here. So this is that new feature. Along with that, you can also see the completely redesigned volume panel. This is how it appears on the entire screen if you expand the volume panel, and I personally like the revamped volume panel. After that, they say they have added a partial screenshot option in the smart sidebar, though that option was already present. You can see here. I have also seen this on my other OnePlus smartphones. This partial screenshot option was already present. I don't know why they have mentioned in the change logs. And now the gallery application also got upgraded, where you can create a collage without frame. So let me select two photos to create a collage. Going to collage, and in the stitch option, you can see the first collage that is without frame. Other collage options are with the frame. So this is the one which they have recently added. And now OnePlus have also added a new option, or you can say feature, to trigger the torch using volume button. So that can be found in the under gesture and motions. So here you can see that option. So if you enable it, and this will only work if your device screen is off. So now if I press and hold the volume down key, flashlight will turn on, and the same way I can turn it off. So this is another add-on what they have done. And later they have improved the system stability. That we'll get to know once we start using the device. So stay tuned for the in-depth review, and if you have any questions related to OnePlus 9 series, drop them in the comment section. Now talking about the camera application, so here I personally noticed only one improvement, and that's related to 4K video recording, which used to lag before. But that's not the case here. After this update, I did try out recording 4K at 60 FPS, and I did not see any kind of issues. The video recording is pretty smooth after this. But in the camera segment, we did click some pictures. The performance is quite similar what we have seen on previous builds. There are no much of changes in the camera segment. OnePlus 9 camera performs quite good. It is still capable of producing some great pictures with great colors and a well-balanced dynamic range. So guys, these were all the things what you'll get to see with this latest update for OnePlus 9 series. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.